Assalamualaikum guys. So hari ni kita trip ke Akidex daripada JB Pada JB kita nak pergi Akidex 2026. So hari ni hari Jumaat, masing-masing dah ambil cuti. So first kita dah ambil Ammar, lepas tu kita nak pergi ambil Afiq, and then kita keluar ambil Afif. So waktu pagi ni pukul 8.45. Yang lagi tengah hari sampai Akidex. So let's join our trip today. Okay, nah kita tika Afiq. Alright. Barang. Okay, now kita dekat Air Hitam. Kita breakfast dulu sementara tunggu Bos Afif habis meeting. Banyak lagi kalau dah habis kita pick up dia. Capati guys, capati. Okay, now kita tengah tunggu Afif dekat rumah dia. Dia habis meeting lambat lah, tengok dia baru sampai. Aduh, lambat lah bos Afif ni. Tunggu dia lah. Lepas ni kita terus shoot rasa sampai petang ni. Apip. Kenapa pindah belakang? Tak kena belakang?
Ya, bos sana.
Tak kena belakang?
Bos Afif.
Okay, lepas ni tu shoot KL. Ada singgah-singgah makan lah. Kita dah makan. Beli apa-apa je nanti kat saya minyak. Alright. Ni Bos Afiq. Dia design, special design kan. Lepas tu dia suruh kita pula mikir macam mana nak buat. Jangan betul kita. Afiq sedap mah, dia klien sekarang. Wah, kita tiga-tiga parti ada ni.
Mati aja ke? Ada klien developer ada, klien government ada.
Okay, now kita dah sampai dekat MyTech. Jam, mana? Dah setengah jam dah beratur ha. Mana ada? Kita buat video kita, nanti 10 tahun lagi kita boleh tengok.
Lagi genting buat video juga.
Batu kantul.
Dah pergi masak ke dekat game.
Bini tengok gini. Okay, kita jumpa dengan Max. Apa?
Tidur sini awak? Ha? Turun lah JB. Tidur. Aku boleh tidur ni. Keting. Last month. Tidur kan? Last month 3 bulan boleh. Kau ada benda sangat kuat.
Dia takut jadi OBT dia. Mana ni sejuk. Kalau bos aku dulu dia tak kisah. Kau nak apa buat? Janji kerja aku siap. Ada. Nah, kita dah masuk attack. Mana aja member. Okay, now kita nak self check-in.
So we made it In Kuala Lumpur.
We made it to My Tech. Oh,
Safety
nasib baik
ride.
parking tak jauh lah. Okay lah, jalan sikit lah.
Tengok Rabi, tali Rabi awak.
Apa? Tali apa?
Lanyard dia habis.
Lanyard ni kat dalam.
Ya ke?
Ha. Now kita dah habis pergi hall bawah. So kita nak pergi hall atas pula.
Here we go.
Apa tak dekat taman aku tu.
Dia ambil
Rumah dia
support.
Berapa dapat? Ini kita
Ini ada tombol juga.
Yes, ada tombol. So you boleh tengok dia on.
Ada ni pula.
Dia ada pantry, it's too much.
Maximum ni 10
Yes, correct. It's 110.
Tapi kalau macam ni sama kan.
Coffee.
One Americano, one cappuccino.
The materials that we're dealing over here itself, any idea what it is?
Aluminium cabinet.
Aluminum cabinet. Not exactly. I'm wondering, have you heard of our company by the name of Compact Glass?
Yes.
We are Compact Glass.
Compact Plus.
So this is the material that we're dealing with. It's a 6mm material that we import from Italy itself. Okay, although it's only 6mm, it is very, very hard. I always like to joke with my clients. Anyone that can break this, first project free. Wait. Developer cannot try. Try
Developer try 10,000 unit.
Recording
Burger King Singapore.
Yeah.
Basically this is a paper resin.
Correct. Okay. So only he want to try.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is actually a paper-based product. This is actually a paper-based product. When people see a material this thin, right, they get very worried. Okay. So what we do is we back test. And instead of doing it on the demonstration, right, the fake one, we try on the real one. Okay. Metal ball, try the weight of it. Toss around. Be careful, I never buy insurance.
Yeah. I think
Good weight.
4 kilo, 5 kilo.
Can you help me out? Drop it through the thing.
What song? Song and dance.
Once broken, considered sold. Nothing wrong with it. And this material is only 6mm. So a lot of people were actually asking me, Damien, when you have a material this thin, right, are you trying to cut corners, cut material? No. In fact, to achieve a material this thin with the properties that you see over here itself, right, it involves a lot of technology. Okay, so this is just one of it. I want to show you what we have over here on the backsplash.
Yes.
Okay, a kitchen backsplash. You have PowerPoints, right? Where do you normally put the PowerPoints? Come, so that our friend can take it. Where do you normally put the PowerPoint?
Over there.
There.
Hmm.
Away from the sink, right? Away from water.
Yeah.
Right, okay. How many will you put?
2, 3.
2 or 3. One moment say, oh, not enough. Add more. Or extension cord. Okay. No matter how many we put there, it's never enough because appliances are getting more.
Yeah.
Okay. But the big problem is when you have this, all your appliances can only go there.
Yeah.
Fix. But if I tell you, you can actually power up your appliances from anywhere of the wall. Wow. That would be interesting. Okay. This itself, it's a fake one. Okay.
Oh, slot in. Untuk.
Let me power up.
Oh.
You have more appliances? Just add on. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, how many watt it can support?
7,000 watts. A lot.
Then how about the water resistant?
Good question. Let me just show you. Panel, 3mm groove line.
Yeah.
I'm paying attention. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Okay. You've seen power tracks before, right?
Yep.
Usually quite big, right? Quite thick.
Yep.
Okay, but this guy itself, you know how thick it is?
You said 3mm?
3mm groove.
Oh, groove.
groove.
The
back,
power
5.
track
5
25 to 50.
25 to 50. You sure not? Power track.
Power check ah. Belakang.
Bahkan
5mm
5mm. Well,
Double mah.
Dia 25 ya?
wow. Your eyes got measuring, man. 25 mm. So it's just fucking like that. That's it.
So basically if I want to put the power check,
Heads.
this power track is embedded to the wall or what?
No, it is a system that we're putting out.
So I need space between the wall and this panel.
Okay, so that's one.
Ah.
Another way to do it is on the wall itself, just get the electrician to kind of
Hacking the
Yeah.
so that sun can go in. So we go down, we measure. Everything will be produced in the factory. We go down, install, connect. That's it.
So you can long, how long?
The maximum Guinness World Record in my project history, 18 meters.
18 meter lah.
1.8 meter.
Ha? 18 lah.
18 meter.
18 18 meter.
Panjang.
Panjang.
But if you can help me break the record, okay.
Dapur dia panjang.
18 meter apa dia?
Oh,
Okay, hold
for
on.
central kitchen kan lah.
Dia kitchen pun tak panjang berapa meter.
Okay, so when we come over here, maybe we could move forward so that we have more classes coming in. Okay, any idea what is this?
Sing lah, cutting board.
Sing.
Cutting board.
Hold on, you done with your coffee?
Dah.
Me too. Done?
Not pandai yet.
Still. This itself, it's a sink cover. Okay, what's the sink cover for? Don't tell me cover the sink.
You want to chop thing, chop food or what, you can put on top lah.
Okay, so in the kitchen itself, the working space is getting smaller and smaller.
Ya.
If you don't need the sink, cover it, you can still put things in there. And you can still wash.
Oh,
Okay, another thing, just to show you how OCD we are,
Oh, sedih ya.
yeah,
Ya.
you see the grains?
Same pattern, continuously pattern.
Yeah. To achieve something like that, it's very, material wastage is very high.
Is it magnetic?
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll do it next year.
Good idea.
Shit, yes. Then we can just step into place, right? Okay, this one, no magnet.
Coming ah? Coming. Ada glue.
Different ni, right?
Yeah.
Different thing.
Can I recruit him for my R&D team? Yeah. So what we did was we have a groove. Yeah. But I think magnet quite interesting also.
Yeah.
And you know why? Did I share with you why we do magnet?
Why?
For that one?
Supply the power lah.
Huh?
Removable lah. Flexibility.
No.
What?
Same thing. Because too OCD.
Too OCD.
Too OCD. It has to go back to the same position. Like that, sengit a bit or I cannot tahan.
How about we do this one?
Flush.
Flash.
Can also.
CD one.
Tu OCD one lah.
I really want him to. Hold on. Sir, this is the flush grain match.
This one is better.
This one is for you.
If I look here kan.
This one not floor trap.
This one also
This is
strong lah.
PVC edging or what?
Okay,
Sir.
hold on now. One thing at a time.
This
Can
one
break.
also strong lah.
Keras.
Even when it's perforated, right? Still very strong. Okay, good question. You are very sharp. My material, you see, most of it black. This one, it's ABS aging.
ABS edging.
But to do something like this, it's very difficult.
Very?
Difficult.
Very difficult.
Most of the time, the aging itself, it's 18 mm.
Yep.
More space to stick on. This one is only 6 mm. It's a special machine, special technique.
So if I want the material with the ABS edging, is a special order lah.
It's everything is special. Customized, cut to size. Okay, but if you want this aging itself, we will then machine and put the aging on it. Okay, this itself, it's another technique called mix match, where we put different colors into one panel itself.
Interesting.
So this itself, if you can't touch, it's flat,
Flush.
flush. This one, no gap.
Basically, this board is
Okay, now kita dah habis jalan. Sekarang nak gerak balik. Gerak ke kereta. Kat luar hujan. Dah lebat. So kita dadah sajalah. So macam mana experience?
Sangat memenatkan.
Penat lah sangat. Macam mana experience?
okey lah, tapi tahun ni parking susah cari. Tu je lah.
Kita jalan. Ha? Experience?
Okay lah, sebab lepas ni nak genting kan. So okay je.
Okay, now kita tunggu dekat entrance. Dah lebat. Memang sangat lebat. So kita book Grab untuk pergi dekat kapak. Okay lah, kita book Alphard. Sebab tu je yang available ada. No ha, kereta. Kita terpaksa cancelkan kita punya Grab sebabnya hujan dah reda.
Okey lah, orang tu dapat RM7.
Okay lah, RM7 je pun. So now kita berjalan. So kita jalan lah, Rida. Bye my tag. Ada tak Alphard putih? Dia tak masuk lagi Grab tu. Ni lah. Oh nak hujan lepas balik. Tiba-tiba lepas balik kat sini.
Lepas balik.
Itu masuk bawah, masuk bawah, masuk bawah. Udah lepas tu tiba lepas. Aduh. Online takut. Buka tak? Sini. Kena pusing guys. Okay, now kita semua dah dalam kereta. Dah hujan sikit tadi. So lepas ni kita ke Genting Highland, check-in hotel. Sebelum kita Highland, kita singgah kita Sempah dulu untuk pergi makan kat parking kereta.
Memang update report.
Okay, now kita dah sampai.
Barai is real.
Now kita dah sampai Genting Sempah. Kita nak makan kat arena Genting Sempah sebelum naik atas dan beli barang-barang. Nama tak atas sini. Okay, now kita dah solat. Masing-masing semua dah solat. So nak dekat Genting Sempah. Paling kita pergi makan. Makan. Nah, kita makan time. Dah tak? Apa mah? Kita sikit mah.
Si goreng kunyit. Okey lah. Dah lapar kan? Sedap je lah.
Janji
Tapi
makan.
makan apa ni?
Yang gepuk. Gepuk forever.
Tapi apa ni?
Nasi goreng daging.
Okay, now kita di atas Genting Island. Kita parking sekejap dekat Multi Story Car Park. Kita berada di atas awan. Oh, tu awan dah lalu dah. Tak lagi awan lalu pernah sekali kabus kat sini. Kita ambil angin sekejap. Penuh awan ni. Oh, situ lah First World Hotel tu. Yang colour-colour tu.
Oh, belah sana.
Belah mana? Kat sini Genting Hotel. 6,000 feet di atas tu. 6,000 feet. Ni malah buat ni, malah nak buat anjing. Tempat je lah. Tempat je lah.
Pakai klip je lah kan.
Kat sini lah. Okey. Kita dah ambil angin sekejap, duduk-duduk rasa sejuk. Now, kita balik ke kereta. Kita pergi check in hotel. Ama first time. First time naik sampai atas.
Newbie.
Okay lah, it's always first time for everyone. Tadi bawa seri Okay, now kita dah parking. Kita nak pergi check in hotel.
Tak ada lagi ke?
Auto.
Tolong.
Lawa mai hati on.
Hotel atas awan ni. Semua muka dah penat dah masing-masing. Nak berehat. Okay, now kita nak naik atas.
Nanti dia kata pergi lain kali ajak kita pergi situ.
Alright. 38 apa
Mana tu?
38
21.
21. Oh, sini lah.
Kan? 13821.
Kau ni ha? Ni view mana?
382 1 betul?
3821. Tapi ni 3A. M383A.
Betul lah, tahun 1 kan.
Betul lah.
Kalau boleh
Cuba test. Tap.
Sekejap.
Ya? Ke salah?
Tahun ni kan?
Dia 3820. Dia 3821. Salah kan?
Kan ada kunci.
Yang depan ni ada orang macam ni. Macam nak masuk Kita cuba tak tahu macam mana masuk bilik. Ke ada tempat lain lagi. 13822. Macam nak masuk bilik ni Dia bagi kad je. Macam ni kad tu saya tengok. Oh ada lah. Kau tak touch kat sini lah.
Betul sini.
Oh yo. Nak buat asmara dah dah.
Sebab dia sini.
Tahu lah. Yelah. Tengok view sikit. Alah tak ada view. Ada view lah.
Aku dulu view belah sana.
Kita salah view lah. Ha? Apa?
Suruh dia wangi bilik ni. Bukan pek basah je.
Okay.
Kau dah tidur?
Now kita nak pergi makan. Lagi breakfast. Kat bilik. Kita tengok dia punya breakfast macam mana. Breakfast. Ingin lah. Yuk dia. Dia buat nasi lemak. Roti canai.
Sebelah UTS sama universiti tu.
Okay, now kita nak naik tingkat 50.
Dekat sebelah sekolah Sri Gading ada roof tu
KPTM tau.
Ada sekolah menengah tepi jalan CBG dari UTSM dari belah kanan, saya belah kanan ke depan
Dari mana?
dari
Dari
hitam
Dari hitam.
masuk UTSM belah kanan. Lepas tu depan tu ada
Kena tambak.
tambak kan. Masalah mana isi tanah.
Awan nak
So developer kau planning
Dia bagi apa tanah. Alah, kalau dia atas tak nampak. Dia bagi tanah.
Memang tak nampak apa pun. Awan nak.
Tanah okey lah, tapi tu nak kena ni lah.
Instead of area.
Tu ada skydeck tu.
Baik kau cari belah
Skydeck.
sebelah kau. Luar.
Skydeck tu kat bawah.
Keluar dia, keluar.
Nampak apa lah awan.
Depan-depan dah kena.
Tu betul lah awan. Kereta pun tak nampak. Banyak awan lah. Dah.
Beli baju putih in case ni.
Okay guys, now kita dah nak check out. Lepas ni kita turun. Tak boleh pakai safe check out. Pakai safe check out. now kita dah sampai tempat parking Loyat. Kita jumpa member kat atas. Ada Kamal kat sini. Lepas tu si Afif dia nak beli keyboard. So kita teman lah. Kita dengan Kamal sekarang
Company Singapore.
dalam Loyat.
Lepaskan siarap. Kat situ row situ ada lagi yang media. Tu apa tu? Sebelah dia.
Kita nak pergi cari tempat makan. Jalan kaki.
Masa aku cross sini aku rasa sebelum kahwin ke.
Apa-apa lah saya bayar.
Masa aku cross ni. Cross dua.
Jalan lah. Tukar tempat. Kita jalan jauh sikit. Dah tadi penuh orang.
Bugis step.
Beach ni Barbican Beach.
Yes, correct.
So kita makan dekat
Halam itu halam.
tempat lain semua beratur panjang tau, penuh. Dekat sini ada aircon okey lah.
Share je lah.
Apa nak ambil gambar?
Memory full.
Gambar besar.
Bateri habis. Lah
Kita berjalan balik ke Loyat.
Habis tak? Berapa RM9? CDIY tau. Itu belum masuk.
Minta HWM.
Balik. Saya dah tidur lah.
Aku tidur.
Tidur laju. Okay, now kita dah hantar Afif sampai rumah. Abang penat
Barai Israel.
Bye.
Kita pergi bawa. Okay, bapak-bapak nak berpisah.
Sama lah nanti aku kena naik JB tau.
Alasan.
Okay, kita hantar seorang-seorang balik.
Oh.
Thank you, Fif. Bye.
Bye, safe drive.
Sikit-sikit. Okay, now Bos sama bawa kita. Afif dah turun. So, kita menghala ke Kulai. Masuk highway dah Okay, kita dah sampai Kulai. nak hantar Fik dekat rumah tadi ada Cenggi punya ni pula festival. Tak boleh nak masuk. Pusing-pusing banyak kali sangkut. So kita hantar dia dekat office agenda. Tak ada apa-apa lagi kan? Alright. Okay, now kita dah sampai rumah Ama. The last one to deliver. Okay, itulah saja trip kita kali ni pergi Arkidex. Hari Raya Arkitek. Hari Raya Arkitek setiap tahun sekali. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Jangan lupa follow YouTube. Alright, any last?
Okay, see you for another trip.
Okay, bye.